Hello viewers, welcome to Accessible Tutorials for Blind YouTube channel. So my name is Jai Durga. So as I have promised you in the previous tutorial, I will show to you regarding how you can set your custom gesture scheme on your Jieshuo screen reader application. So I will show it to you in this tutorial as I promised. So before we start our tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get my latest videos. So without any delay, let's start.
Page 909.
So first of all, we should open the Jieshuo screen reader application first. Let's go.
Main menu. Main program settings. Jieshuo Plus.
Okay, now let's swipe to our right to find the general settings.
Jieshuo Plus. 20,200,000. Email 94. General settings. Jieshuo Plus.
And then simply double tap on the general settings and swipe to your left, or you can also swipe to the right until you find custom gestures scheme settings. So let's find it and simply double tap on it.
Custom gesture scheme settings.
Here you go. Now simply double tap here.
Custom.
So let's swipe to our right.
Close button. Custom. Share.
Okay, here you can share it.
More options button.
So when you click on the more options here, it will have 3 or 4 options that have provided. So let's see first what are the options that have provided first in this more option. So let's simply double tap on the more option.
Create a new function.
So after you double tap on the more option, when you swipe to your right, it will have
Create a new automatic click function. Create a new function.
create a new function,
Create a new automatic click function.
create a new automatic click function,
Function manager.
function manager,
New voice command.
new voice command,
Voice command manager.
voice command manager, and that's all. So I will explain about this in upcoming tutorials because I'm also still learning about this. And after I finish, I will after I finish my learning, and I will do the tutorials regarding this one by one. So let's come out from here.
Back button. Custom.
So let's swipe.
Post. Custom. Share. More options. Up gesture default.
Okay, I have said or told to you in the previous tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show to you that when you click on these every gestures which I have provided here, it will have provide you. It will bring to you the sections which you can choose your gestures performance. So let's see.
Up gesture.
Okay, let's see. I have clicked on this up gestures.
Up gesture.
So when I swipe
Checked.
to my right, your default.
No command unchecked.
Okay,
Plugins unchecked.
plugins.
Custom voice commands unchecked. Tools unchecked. Application unchecked. Function unchecked. Play unchecked. Cancel button.
Okay, so if you click on the function,
Play on function unchecked.
it will in this function section, it will have another section or another options that I have provided.
Function.
So I will double tap on this function and let's swipe.
Select navigation element. Previous element type. Select enter keyword text box. Function. Enter keyword. Select navigation element. Previous element type. Next element type. Previous element of the specified type. Next element of the specified type. Monitor the currently focused element. Focus monitor manager. Quick clicking mode. Previous focusable element. Next focusable element. The top. The end. Left shortcut. Right shortcut. Scroll up. Scroll down. Decrease slider value. Increase slider value. Previous heading. Next heading. Previous link. Next link. Previous control. Next control. Decrease value. Increase value. Current time. Timer. Current position. Virtual screen. Get capture. Gesture scheme description. Translation. Enable curtain. Clipboard history. Favorites. Input. Paste. Copy. List copying. Append. Clear. Notification box. Toggle activating the item. I lift. Detail. Toggle activating the item. I lifting a finger under it. Detailed focus capturing mode. Disallow screen exploration. No browsing mode. Recent applications. Home screen. Go back. Click. Long press. Advanced editing mode. Advanced menu. Shortcut menu. Function menu. Main menu. Reading mode. Read by character. Character by character browsing mode. Automatic browsing. Backwards automatic browsing. Granular browsing mode. Granular editing mode. List browsing. Read the whole screen. Full text view. Full text selection. Voice assistant. Voice dictation. Extensions. Tools. Recognize text. Recognize object under the cursor. Commentary camera. Program settings. Disable browse by touch. Disable speech. Notification bar. Edit gestures. Virtual navigation. Open an URL. Actions. Raw click. Raw long press. Raw swipe left. Raw swipe right. Raw swipe up. Raw swipe down. Quick settings. Take a screenshot. Screen lock. Power menu. Double tap. Split screen view. Toggle multi-finger gestures. Next character. Previous character. Next word. Previous word. Next sentence. Previous sentence. Next paragraph. Previous paragraph. Player pause. Edit dictionary. Switch the currently used TTS engine. Read current brightness. Add content blacklist. Previous media. Next media. Previous screen area. Next screen area. Cancel button.
Okay, these are the actions which I've provided on the function menu or on the function section. So if you want to choose from these also can, or
Next cancel button. Custom.
you can simply
Down. Swipe left default. Down gesture default.
sorry,
Up shift custom. Shift more options button. Up gesture. Up gesture.
you
Up
can
gesture.
choose from here
Default.
also.
No command unchecked. Bluetooth unchecked.
Okay, Bluetooth, let's say you can check any options here to make as your gestures performers. So
Custom voice commands unchecked.
see,
Tools unchecked. Application unchecked. Function checked.
okay, let's see
Play unchecked. Function checked.
function.
Function. Select navigation element.
Okay,
Previous element type. Next element type. Previous element of the next element of this. Monitor the currently focused element. Focus monitor manager. Quick clicking mode. Previous focusable element. Next focusable element. The top. The end. Left shortcut. Scroll up. Scroll down. Decrease slider. Decrease slider. Previous heading. Next heading.
so you can
Decrease slider value. Decrease slider value.
I will set
Decrease slider value. Custom.
decrease. Okay, I will double tap on the decrease slider menu. So after that, it will
More option. Up gesture function / decrease slider value.
it will show like this. So if I swipe up,
Copying mode. Words. Character. Scroll. Default.
so it will not appears because I have set the reading controls on this swipe up and down, so it will not work. So if you doesn't set the reading controls, you can use this, or you also can try with other gestures which I have provided here.
More up gesture function.
So
Up
I
gesture.
will set this as
Up
default.
default unchecked. Custom.
Okay, so
Down gesture default.
all the actions which have provided on each gestures are same, so you can choose from there to make sure that which actions that you want perform with each custom gestures. So let's say swipe left and up function / main menu. Okay, so when I said like that, when I to do that I will go to the swipe left and up gestures, and I will double tap there, and then I will swipe to my right until find function, and then I will double tap and it will bring to select function. So I will keep swiping until find main menu, and I will double tap there, and then the gestures scheme is ready. So if I swipe left and up, it will go to the main menu. So if you doesn't want the swipe left and up, perform with any actions, you can set it as default. So you should find the swipe left and up gestures, and then double tap there and swipe to the right until you find default, and just simply double tap on there and it will as default. So it's all the gestures, and it's all the actions we have provided on each gestures are same, so you can choose, and it's up to you.
Back button. Page. Accessibility. Over. Recent apps. Back. Access. Hide UFP. Hot page stop button.
So it's up to you that which gestures that you want to perform with the actions. So you can choose which actions would you like to set as the gestures scheme. Okay. So that's all for today. As I told you, I will just show you, and then I will try to make a tutorial regarding create a function, as I told you before, at the custom gestures scheme settings. There have a more option, and there have a new create new function, create new automatic click function, and so on. So as I told you, I still learning about that. So after I finish, I will make a tutorial regarding that. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you need this tutorial or previous tutorial while with other TTS, other kind of TTS, you can let me know at the comment box. And if you have any doubt, question, also you can ask there. Or you also can join my Telegram channel, and the link will available at the description box below to get more softwares and applications which is very useful for blind, which is very useful for us, people like us. So, and then the Jieshuo application screen reader, the Jieshuo screen reader application link also will be be available at the description box, and it also available in my Telegram channel. So before end, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give your comments, likes, and share this video to anyone who's needed. Thank you.
Before end, if you need this tutorial in Tamil or Malayalee language, you can let me know at the command box below. Please subscribe to my channel. At the same time, don't forget to give your comments, likes, and share this video to your friends or to others who's needed. Hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thanks for watching.